It wasn't so many years ago when seeing women in the auto repair industry was pretty much unheard of. But what has often been seen as a male-dominated field is now becoming more open to females as well. Today, we'll take a closer look at what's causing the shift that's allowing more females to feel comfortable in this important field. Then, we'll take a look at the types of occupations that women in the auto repair industry can expect to have. There are 4 major factors contributing to an increase in the number of women in the auto repair industry. Number 1, there is now increased representation, advocacy, and support for women in the auto repair industry. Now that we're past the pioneering stage of women entering the automotive industry, there are more women to advocate for and support other females choosing to pursue an automotive career. There are also organizations that specifically encourage women to enter the auto repair industry and provide resources and networking experiences that help them do just that. Number 2, women have automotive skills and expertise comparable to their male colleagues. Over time, women have consistently shown that they're capable of becoming skilled and knowledgeable professionals in the automotive industry. Furthermore, they're able to participate in hands-on training opportunities and receive formal education in the field, exactly the same as their male peers. Number 3, some customers, especially women, prefer to work with a female mechanic, service advisor, or salesperson. This has led to an increased demand for female workers in the automotive industry and has created opportunities for them to excel in the field. Number 4, a focus on science, technology, engineering, and math in schools encourages more women to pursue STEM-related careers. Since today's vehicles are more like computers on wheels, they need technical-minded people to diagnose and fix problems and even develop new technology. As more women pursue STEM careers, their success encourages other females to follow in their footsteps and consider technical careers in the automotive industry. What types of careers can women have in the auto repair industry? The simplest answer to this question is this: women can have any of the same automotive careers as men do. This list includes, but is not limited to, the following careers: automotive technician, auto repair service advisor, auto repair shop owner, business manager or finance manager, tow truck driver, roadside assistance operator, service manager, auto parts specialist, and more. Truthfully, there's no limit to what women can do in the auto repair industry, and they're just getting started. At Good Works Auto Repair, we're proud to be family-owned and operated by a husband and wife team that loves cars and serving people, but we can't provide the best auto repair and maintenance services in Tempe, Arizona, without the help of some skilled and friendly staff. Regardless of their gender, our people have worked tirelessly to make us one of the top-rated auto repair shops in the Phoenix area. Our highly skilled mechanics continuously train to be the best in the industry, and our service advisors and office personnel work diligently to provide exceptional customer service to every customer, every time. Even with some of the best employees around, we're always on the lookout for talented people to join the Good Works Auto Repair family. If you're interested in working in the auto repair industry, check out our current job openings to see if you'd be a good fit for our team. Or simply schedule an appointment with us today and get your vehicle serviced at one of the best auto repair shops in Tempe.